Chairs are one of the most essential gear you should have when it comes to camping trips. They provide comfort and relaxation as you enjoy being outdoors, taking in the beauty of the scenery and breathing in the fresh air. It is more than just a chair. It has many other features that you will find very useful in your outdoor activities. We've researched and evaluated all types of camping chairs, from ultralight and swinging to two-seaters and recliners. These are the 5 best we recommend in each category. Watch this video to learn more about this must-have camping gear. First up, we have the NEMO Stargaze Recliner Luxury Chair. The exceptional comfort and unique design of this chair have made it our favorite in the luxury camping chair category for many years. We find the Stargaze's rocking motion and the high back to be the most appealing features. We also appreciate that it automatically adjusts as you recline and sit up. Additionally, it dries quickly, so if it accidentally gets left out in the rain, it will not be a problem. Although the Stargaze is a bit pricey, it is high quality, sturdy, relatively lightweight, and compact for easy transport. If you are looking for a unique chair that allows you to recline in comfort, the Stargaze might be a good choice. If portability is important to you, the Helinox Chair Zero is a great option. It weighs only a pound and folds up into a package about the size of a water bottle. When comfort is a priority, we even take ours on backpacking trips. It has a nylon scoop seat that supports your back in a slightly reclined position and is at the appropriate height for you to extend your legs comfortably. The Helinox Chair Zero is a highly recommended option for individuals who require maximum portability without sacrificing comfort. There is also a high-back version available. It will cost you a bit more, but it offers even greater comfort and support. If you are looking for a chair that you can share, the Kelty Low Loveseat is a practical and cozy option. With a strong steel frame, thick quilted fabric, and quality construction, it is an extremely durable piece of furniture. However, due to the heavy-duty materials, it may be difficult to carry. It comes with a convenient carrying case that wraps around the chair and buckles for easy storage. Also, the case is useful as a load hauler for firewood or equipment, or as a small piece of ground cloth to keep your feet dry and clean. In a variety of situations, the Low Love Seat provides a simple solution for seating that is comfortable and well-made. There is also a single low-down chair, as well as a 3-person couch, as well as a standard height love seat, so there is plenty of choice to meet your needs. Next up, we have the NEMO Stargaze Recliner Luxury Chair. With its quality construction and supportive design, the Kijaro Dual Lock is an excellent value camp chair. You'll love this chair because it locks into a top position that's firm and comfortable, much better than cheap camp chairs that sag. In addition, the seat is 19 inches off the ground, making it comfortable for tall or average-sized people. While the chair case are quite heavy and bulky when folded, it has convenient shoulder straps so that they can be easily transported. It is recommended that you upgrade from cheap chairs that are less durable to the Dual Lock, which is often on sale and will last for years. Next up, we have the NEMO Stargaze Recliner Luxury Chair. With its quality construction and supportive design, the Kijaro Dual Lock is an excellent value camp chair. You'll love this chair because it locks into a top position that's firm and comfortable, much better than cheap camp chairs that sag. In addition, the seat is 19 inches off the ground, making it comfortable for tall or average-sized people. While the chair case are quite heavy and bulky when folded, it has convenient shoulder straps so that they can be easily transported. It is recommended that you upgrade from cheap chairs that are less durable to the Dual Lock, which is often on sale and will last for years. Overall, these are some of the best camping chairs on the market. Whether you need a chair for the beach, a backpacking trip, or just relaxing around the campfire, there's an option here for you. Thanks for watching and happy camping!